Close your eyes. Breathe. Let go of the worries of the day, the tensions in your body. Journey inward to the quiet space within. Here, in the stillness, resides your true self, untouched by pain, untouched by the world. Feel the ground beneath you, the support it offers. Feel the air filling your lungs, the life it sustains. In this moment you are safe. You are held. You are connected to something larger than yourself. Become aware of your body. Notice the sensations, the areas of tension, the areas of ease. Do not judge, simply observe. The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts. Let your thoughts be of curiosity, of acceptance. Now bring your attention to the area of discomfort, the fire in your leg, the sciatic nerve sending its signals. Do not fight it, do not fear it. You have power over your mind, not outside events. This pain, it is an outside event. It may linger, it may change, but your mind remains your own. Breathe into the sensation. Do not resist, do not push away. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Accept this moment as it is. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Choose your perspective. Choose acceptance. The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Let this pain be your teacher, your guide. Reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. Do not give it power with your fear, your resistance. You are more than this. You are the silent observer, the unwavering center. Our life is what our thoughts make it. Choose thoughts of strength, of healing, of gratitude. Even in this moment, there is much to be thankful for. The breath that sustains you, the strength that remains, the wisdom you are gaining. You are a being of immense power, capable of enduring, of overcoming. Remember this, always. The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. Do not let pain define you. Let it refine you. Let it make you stronger, wiser, more compassionate. You are the master of your own fate. You are the captain of your own soul.